Welcome to Lee's Summit, where maintaining your home's beauty and functionality is a top priority. Clogged gutters can lead to serious water damage and pest problems. That's where gutter covers come into play. With extensive experience in the industry, we offer top-notch solutions to keep your gutters clear and effective. Our premium gutter covers ensure your gutters stay free-flowing throughout the year, preventing clogs, leaks, and expensive repairs. In Lee's Summit, many homes face issues related to gutters annually. Don't let yours be one of them. Gutter covers stop debris from entering your gutters, allowing water to flow seamlessly away from your home. This protects your property from potential water damage while boosting its curb appeal and value. Ready to safeguard your gutters? Contact us today. Call the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at https://thegutterguys.lc. The Gutter Guys, dedicated to keeping your home safe, beautiful, and hassle-free. Call now and discover the difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your gutters with the Gutter Guys today.